This video is to show you how to replace your pressure switch if you find out that it's bad. First of all, you're going to want to turn the water off and unplug your pump. Then this big nut right here, you're going to loosen it up to where you can spin the whole unit inside. You're going to come inside after you've removed the 10 screws on this side of the panel that says open this side for maintenance. You're going to come, this is your pressure switch unit right here. You're going to remove the tape, unplug these two wires by wiggling them back and forth side to side. Once you have those unplugged, you're going to use 2 wrenches. You're going to put one on this reducer right here, then one on the pressure switch itself. Loosen it up. Then you can spin this whole unit to the side just a little bit and remove the pressure switch. The pressure switch can be purchased from Mistcooling. If you need another one, when you receive it, this black dial right here, you will want to make sure that it's dialed all the way down to the bottom. Put some Teflon tape on this fitting before you put it back in. Put the new pressure switch in. Making sure that it's good and snug so there's no water leak. Reinstall your wires. Go to the outside and tighten the nut back up. Now, before you turn your pump back on, you turn your water back on and plug it back in.